Baba. Let's see a handstand. Damn straight.
Whoa. Mom. It's good.
Oh my god. No, they are my chicken.
Do you want to eat?
Don't bite his tail.
You can't get up.
What am I gonna do? I'll tell you.
Sound.
Excuse me? Excuse me? George!
Hello? Hello? Hello?
He smells it.
I know you're about to bite me.
One more? One more hook? Okay.
She patted you back.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
No, they are my chicken nuggets.
Ma'am.
Vậy bạn ơi.
I've done this.
I'm a snake. I'm a snake.
And then you started cleaning yourself with your gross, stinky little gross breath.
Frankie! There you go.
Comet, I love you. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? William, get ready.
Muxie. All day without you doing something bad.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Stop. Stop it.
I want to drink liquor. I don't like liquor. What the hell's at the game? It's gonna be hot.
Can you show me your booty?
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
No.
Bitch.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you...
Come here.
No bite.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't.
You're under arrest. Put your hands up.
Quiero una estufa, una tele.
Oh, ow. Happy birthday, though. I love you. Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants.
Look at my son. Pride is not.
Oh.
Really stupid. They don't know how to catch in the car, and the person that does it for them. Oh. To you too.
Phoenix.
Mikey's a bitch. So it's completely different. The way you make